Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Playing 101, and if you guys are having issues where after pressing the PS button on your controller, you guys are seeing this, then you've come to the right place. We'll get this issue resolved so that you guys can go back to playing on your PlayStation 5. So this happens because there is a connection issue between the controller itself and the PS5. Let me show you guys what I mean. I'm gonna press the button. Nothing happens, and as you guys can see, the controller is on and the PS5 is on as well. So what you guys are going to do is press and hold the power button. So not the first button, but the second button, as you guys can see right here. Press, hold, one beep, does nothing. Your PlayStation 5 consoles must turn off. So let's see if this works. After the second beep, you guys should see, once you press the controller, you guys should see this. So you should now be all set in terms of being able to log onto your PlayStation 5 to play the games that you want. Thank you for watching my videos. I make gameplays for PlayStation 5. If you guys are interested, check out my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Playing 101. Take care. Until next time. Bye.